Greeting. This is Marco. You're going to be looking at how we can actually hide our slide if we're going to do a presentation. So for instance, we're given 15 minutes to do the presentation, but somehow the time run out, right? So we only have a limited amount of time. And based upon the time, we can only show 4 slides. On this side, this shows 4 slides here, right? So we want to hide the rest from that it don't show up. So what you're going to do now, if you notice, you're going to click on this one. Notice it highlight. You're going to scroll all the way down here. And you're going to put the cursor on the last one. You're going to hold on the shift and click. Notice everything highlight. So you're going to come all the way here with the slideshow, and this is self hide. When you click on hide, you notice you come down. Alright, so let's go back over the top now. Alright, you click on the first one. Now we're going to run a slideshow by coming right here and click either current or from the beginning, or we can press F5 on the keyboard, and then we can come right here. So if I come right here now I'm going to go to it. So I'm on the first slide. Alright, so this itself is the second slide. So this itself is the third slide so far. So we're going to the fourth slide, which is this. Alright, you notice you don't say anything else. So very important. So that's how way you can actually do your presentation. So let me do that again. Alright. Let me go back from the beginning here. Alright, and then I click. And so that itself is the first slide. Alright, and this itself is the second slide. Alright, so now this itself is the third slide. Right, and then this one now is the fourth slide. Alright. So I hope you have learned something from this demonstration here. It's very important. Very good for your presentation. That if you're going to do it on the time or not, you can actually do that. But how can you go back and show back the slide? Right, what you can definitely do, you can come back here to slideshow. I can actually click that, right? And if you notice, you come back down here, right? What you can do is come right here, highlight them back, and you're gonna scroll down, scroll up again, right? And you're gonna go to shift key, you're gonna click it, you're gonna go back to slideshow, you're gonna click it. You notice when I click it, notice everything come back up right. All right, so everything come back up right when I click here to slideshow. This is what will happen. All right, so if you notice, everybody come back up now. All right, and notice all of these slides that you never see before, all of them come back. So it's very important that you pay close attention to this particular area. So if you learn something from it, just share it with your friend. All right, so very important.